This is WPTV News Channel 5 at 5:30.
Hundreds at risk of being evicted as a lifeline could be lifted at the end of the month. Tonight, the resources available to help you right now to try to keep you in your home.
And veterans struggling to get a COVID-19 vaccine now have a new resource. The change just made for those in the care of the West Palm VA Medical Center.
But first tonight, right now, hundreds of Palm Beach County residents, they are at risk of being evicted from their homes. The federal moratorium on evictions has been extended until the end of March.
New at 5:30, as News Channel 5 Sabir Rayford shows you, a moratorium might not be enough even after an entire year.
At Jewish Family Services, Danielle Hartman is used to seeing the need for social services up close.
Providing everything from food to financial assistance to counseling, affordable counseling, to case management and information and referrals.
She says one of the biggest needs is housing assistance. Danielle says in the last year they've helped more than 100 families in Palm Beach County.
For the pandemic, we might help a family with 1 month's rent. Now we're helping them with 2, 3, sometimes 4 months rent.
Totaling to $183,000.
So we're always racing for what's going to happen next.
Right now, we are seeing a lot of tenants facing eviction despite the moratorium.
Takesha Miles is the supervising attorney of housing programs at Legal Aid and is on the board for Adopt a Family.
The moratorium is extended until March, but their leases have expired. And so the moratorium has impacted whether their leases will be continued, and landlords have the ability not to continue the leases.
According to a recent survey by the U.S. Census Bureau, out of the nearly 3 million renters in Florida, more than 20% are behind on payments. Both Danielle and Takesha say more affordable housing is desperately needed.
Not have the ability to come up with the first lesson security and be able to move on to the next place. And I just worry about, what happens to our housing market.
Reporting in Palm Beach County, Sabir Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.
Well, there are still services available for those in need of assistance. You can get that information on our website, WPTV.